If you've been drinking chia seed water every morning hoping to lose weight, but the scale hasn't budged, or worse, you're feeling more bloated than before, then what I'm about to share could completely change your approach to healthy weight management after 50. Because here's what research has discovered: chia seeds aren't the problem. It's what you're not adding to them that makes the difference between seeing results and feeling frustrated. I'm going to show you a simple combination that takes less than 2 minutes to prepare, uses ingredients sitting in your kitchen right now, and according to research published in peer-reviewed journals, could help support your body's natural metabolism. But first, let me explain why drinking plain chia seed water might not be giving you the results you're hoping for. I've spent years researching natural approaches to metabolism and healthy aging, and what scientific studies tell us is fascinating. Your body's ability to process nutrients changes significantly after age 40, which is why the same approaches that worked in your 30s may not work now. Here's what research published in Nutrition, Metabolism, and Cardiovascular Diseases revealed. When people with type 2 diabetes consumed chia seeds daily for 6 months as part of a calorie-restricted diet, they lost an average of 4 pounds compared to just half a pound in the control group. But here's the important part: chia seeds worked best when combined with other supportive nutrients. A 2024 meta-analysis in the journal Nutrition and Metabolism reviewed 10 studies involving 424 participants and found that chia seed supplementation may help reduce waist circumference in people with overweight. However, the researchers emphasized that chia seeds should be part of a comprehensive approach that includes proper diet and lifestyle habits. So if you've been drinking plain chia water and feeling discouraged, understand this. The issue isn't you lacking willpower. The research shows chia seeds need the right supporting ingredients to work effectively. Think of chia seeds like a key. A key is useless without the right lock. When you combine chia seeds with specific complementary ingredients, you're creating an environment where your body can actually utilize the omega-3 fatty acids and fiber these tiny seeds contain. Without those supporting nutrients, you're missing out on their full potential.
The combination I'm about to share has been used by people in our health community, and the difference comes down to 3 kitchen ingredients that work together synergistically. But before I give you the exact recipe, you need to understand why this combination works. When you understand the science in simple terms, you'll be more likely to stick with it consistently. Your body manages weight through multiple interconnected systems. One of those systems involves how quickly sugar enters your bloodstream and how efficiently your body uses that sugar for energy instead of storing it as fat. The ingredients we're adding to chia seeds help regulate these processes naturally. Research published in the Journal of Clinical Biochemistry and Nutrition found that certain natural compounds can influence how your body handles fat metabolism. One ingredient helps improve how your cells respond to insulin. This matters because better insulin sensitivity means your body is less likely to store excess glucose as fat. Another ingredient contains compounds that support your body's natural calorie burning processes. And the third helps your digestive system actually break down and absorb the nutrients locked inside chia seeds. Here's a simple way to think about it. If your metabolism were a campfire, plain chia seeds are like damp wood. They have potential energy, but they won't burn well on their own. The 3 ingredients we're adding, they're like dry kindling and a bit of airflow. They help everything burn more efficiently. When you combine these 4 ingredients in the right way and consume them at the optimal time, you're giving your metabolism exactly what it needs to function at its best.
Next, the recipe. Here's exactly what you need to create this metabolic support drink. First ingredient: 2 tablespoons of chia seeds. Soak them in 12 ounces of water for at least 10 minutes. This creates a gel-like texture that's easier for your digestive system to process. Chia seeds contain about 10 grams of fiber per ounce, which research shows can help you feel fuller for longer periods. Second ingredient: 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice. This isn't just for taste. A study published in the Journal of Clinical Biochemistry and Nutrition tested lemon polyphenols in mice fed a high-fat diet for 12 weeks. The researchers found that body weight gain, fat accumulation, elevated cholesterol, elevated blood sugar, and insulin resistance were all significantly suppressed by lemon polyphenols. While this was an animal study, it demonstrates the potential metabolic benefits of compounds found in lemon. Third ingredient, half a teaspoon of cinnamon. Research published in the journal Diabetology and Metabolic Syndrome analyzed multiple studies on cinnamon and found it significantly reduced fasting blood glucose and improved insulin resistance markers. Another study in the European Journal of Applied Physiology found that 3 grams of cinnamon daily improved insulin sensitivity in healthy volunteers after 14 days. Fourth ingredient, 1 teaspoon of raw honey. Studies show honey has a lower glycemic index than table sugar, around 50 to 60, compared to sugar's 80. Research in the Journal of Food Science found that honey caused a different blood sugar response than sucrose, with an initial spike followed by lower sustained levels. How to prepare? Soak chia seeds in water for 10 to 15 minutes. Add lemon juice, cinnamon, and honey. Stir thoroughly and drink 30 minutes before breakfast.
Next, why timing matters. The timing of when you consume this drink is just as important as the ingredients themselves. When you wake up, your body is in a fasted state. Your insulin levels are naturally lower, and your body is primed to use stored fat for energy. This is called the fasted window, and it's an optimal time to support your metabolism. When you drink this combination first thing in the morning, before eating anything else, you're providing your body with fiber, healthy fats, and compounds that can help stabilize blood sugar throughout the day. Research shows that how you break your fast can influence your appetite and energy levels for hours afterward. The fiber in chia seeds slows digestion, which helps prevent the rapid blood sugar spikes that can lead to mid-morning crashes and cravings. The cinnamon supports insulin sensitivity right when your body needs it most. And the lemon polyphenols provide antioxidant support. If you wait until after breakfast, you've already elevated your insulin levels, and your body has shifted into storage mode rather than burning mode. The drink still has benefits, but you're missing that optimal metabolic window. This is why consistency in the morning is so important for people seeing the best results. Next, additional benefits. Beyond supporting healthy weight management, this combination provides several other benefits. Digestive support. Chia seeds contain both soluble and insoluble fiber. Research in scientific reports found that chia seeds positively influenced gut health markers. The combination of fiber and lemon helps support regular bowel movements and reduces bloating. Steady energy levels. Instead of energy crashes from high sugar foods, this drink provides sustained energy. Research shows foods with lower glycemic impact help maintain stable blood sugar throughout the day. Anti-inflammatory support. A 2024 study in Scientific Reports found that chia seeds helped reduce inflammation markers in rats on a high-fat diet. The omega-3 fatty acids in chia seeds have well-documented anti-inflammatory properties. Cardiovascular support. The same study noted improvements in lipid profiles and cardiovascular markers with chia seed consumption. This drink isn't a magic solution. It's a tool that supports your body's natural processes when combined with balanced nutrition and regular activity. It's about consistent daily support. Let me be transparent about what this drink will and won't do. It won't replace a healthy diet. If you're regularly eating processed foods high in refined sugars and unhealthy fats, this drink alone won't overcome those habits. Overall diet quality matters most. It won't work overnight. Your body needs time to respond. Most research on chia seeds ran for 8 to 12 weeks before measuring results. This is about long-term health support, not quick fixes. It's not medical treatment. If you have diabetes, take blood sugar medications, or have chronic health conditions, consult your healthcare provider before dietary changes. Cinnamon and honey both affect blood sugar, so medications may need adjustment. You'll need consistency. Taking this drink sporadically won't give meaningful results. Research shows nutritional interventions need regular, consistent application to make a difference. The research on chia seeds shows mixed results. Some studies find benefits, others show minimal effects. When chia seeds are part of a comprehensive, healthy lifestyle with calorie awareness and physical activity, they can be a supportive tool, one piece of a larger puzzle. Here's what's important to understand. Many diet approaches fail, not because of lack of willpower, but because they work against your body's natural processes instead of supporting them. Your body is designed to maintain a healthy weight when given the right conditions. But processed foods, chronic stress, inadequate sleep, and natural aging can disrupt metabolic signals. This drink isn't about forcing your body to do something unnatural. It's about providing nutrients that help restore balance to systems that may have gotten out of sync. The chia seeds provide fiber and omega-3 fatty acids. The lemon contributes polyphenols and vitamin C. The cinnamon offers compounds supporting insulin sensitivity. The honey provides natural sweetness with lower glycemic impact than refined sugar. Together, these support multiple aspects of metabolism: blood sugar regulation, digestive health, inflammation reduction, and satiety. This is why people in their 50s, 60s, and beyond can see benefits. You're not fighting biology, you're supporting it. The approach works best as one daily habit within a broader health commitment. Consistency of small supportive choices creates lasting change.
Next, what to expect. Based on research and reported experiences, here's a realistic timeline. Week 1 to 2. You probably won't see dramatic scale changes yet, but you may notice reduced bloating and improved digestion. Your energy may feel more stable throughout the morning. The high fiber content helps with feelings of fullness between meals. Week 3 to 4. This is when some people start noticing their clothes fitting differently, particularly around the waist. Research on chia seeds consistently shows the most significant changes in waist circumference. You might see 1 to 3 pounds of change on the scale, but remember that body composition changes matter more than numbers. Week 5 to 8. If you're combining this drink with a balanced nutrition and regular movement, this is when results become more noticeable. Studies that ran for 8 to 12 weeks showed the most consistent findings. Some people report 4 to 8 pounds of change during this period when following a calorie-appropriate diet. Beyond 8 weeks, this becomes a sustainable habit rather than a diet. The goal is long-term metabolic support, not rapid weight loss that's difficult to maintain. Remember, research on chia seeds shows the best results when they're part of a reduced calorie diet, not added on top of excess calories. This drink should replace less healthy options, not add extra calories to your day. Here are essential tips to maximize your results. Use fresh ingredients. Fresh lemon juice contains more active compounds than bottled versions. The enzymes in fresh lemon are more beneficial for digestion. Choose raw honey. Raw, unfiltered honey retains beneficial enzymes and compounds that processing destroys. Look for honey that's labeled as raw and avoid products with added sugars or syrups. Ceylon over cassia cinnamon. Ceylon cinnamon is considered safer for daily use and contains higher levels of beneficial compounds. It's labeled as Ceylon or true cinnamon. Start gradually. If you're not used to high-fiber foods, start with 1 tablespoon of chia seeds and gradually increase to 2. This prevents digestive discomfort. Stay hydrated. Chia seeds absorb water, so drink plenty of fluids throughout the day to support digestion. Track your experience. Keep simple notes about energy levels, digestion, and how you feel. This helps you notice subtle improvements that might otherwise go unnoticed. Consult your doctor, especially if you have diabetes or take medications that affect blood sugar. Here's what I want you to do. If this information makes sense, if you're ready to try a natural approach that supports your body instead of fighting against it, type yes in the comments right now. And if you know someone over 50 who's been struggling with their weight and looking for a sustainable approach, share this video with them. Sometimes the simplest solutions are the ones that work best. Tomorrow morning, make this drink. Give it 30 days of consistency. Pay attention to how you feel, how your clothes fit, how your energy changes throughout the day. Then, come back and share your experience in the comments. This isn't about perfection. It's about progress. It's about giving your body the support it needs to function at its best. Hit that like button if this was helpful. Subscribe for more evidence-based health strategies. And I'll see you in the next video.